The Blueair Pro range is available in 3 sizes and is designed with different spaces in mind. Plug in your Blueair Pro to get started. Switch on your device by pressing the plus button. Make sure the light indicators come on. You can manually set the speed of your Blueair Pro or let it run on auto mode. The integrated air intelligence module in the XL range provides accurate readings of your environment's air quality to make sure your air is always clean. Blueair's HEPA-silent filtration process captures large and small particles in the air around us. View the LED indicators to get an accurate reading of your air quality. When faced with polluted air, turn the fan speed of your Blueair Pro up by using the plus button, and use the minus button to turn it back down. Your Blueair Pro will automatically dim the LED display when the device is inactive. When the time comes to replace your filter, the filter LED icon will light up. You can order a new filter directly online, at partner retailers, or via the Blueair Friend app. There are 2 filters in this range to choose from: the particle filter and the smoke stop filter. Along with these filters, you can also use the Carbon Plus Filter Edition for extra protection. When receiving your new filter, simply open the Blueair Pro casing, disengage the old filter, and pull it out. Notice that the dirt stays inside the fold, keeping you from getting into contact with it. Now you can install your new filter.
Close the casing and reset the filter timer by pressing directly below the red filter replacement indicator for approximately 10 seconds until the indicator has flashed and disappeared.
With your new filter installed, you can recycle the old one. Now you, your family, friends, and colleagues are safe from harmful contaminants in the air, helping you breathe easy. Blueair, clean air for everyone.